I don't know how many times I should pause my recording just because this vehicle. I just came outskirts to record, but still so much of disturbance. Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back to Creator on Wheels. I am Shiv Kumar. Just came out for a short ride as it was a holiday today, and while I'm out, I thought I'll quickly give you my kind of first impression about a small tank bag that I picked up last week. Yes, I picked up one more tank bag to be very honest. Just recently, I had reviewed the Guardian Gaze 18 liter magnetic shark tank bag. So today I have one more tank bag. This I picked it up on Amazon. Unfortunately, there were no deals or any discounts during the Prime Day sale that happened last week. But I wanted something even more compact and less obvious that there is a tank bag and there could be something inside that. So I picked this one up. So what we are going to talk about today is the Golden Riders M pouch or M pouche, whatever they call it, mini tank bag. So this is it. This is the uh, tank bag, and I just got it last week. This is my first ride out with it. This is not really a review, but it's just my first impression because I just got it out today. Let me take it out. I'll just hold it in my hand. See, the first and foremost thing is yes, it's extremely compact compared to the other tank bags that you see out in the market by Guardian Gears, Rhinox, Viaterra, and all those guys. So this is extremely compact. It just has two compartments, one main compartment and one mobile pouch. And I'll quickly show you how things looks and probably like a 360-degree view of this particular tank bag with the unboxing, which I'll do now. Okay, now that you're back, so let me tell you a few quick things. First of all, the build quality is very good quality material here, very good quality zippers. And if you can see, these zippers are in fact waterproof zippers, which I really liked. I mean, very good quality. There is no doubt about the quality aspect of it. It comes with 5 magnets, 1 2 3 4 5, and it's very strong. It just locks onto the tank, it doesn't move. I didn't drive too fast today, but whatever I rode, I don't think so it even moved a centimeter. So in that way it is pretty strong. The magnets are of good quality, and in fact, like I a couple of places where I got down, I just tried to put this on my carrier, and even there it kind of like locked on. See, I'll just show you here. So I rode for about like say 2 or 3 kilometers with leaving this here, but I was very conscious. But I rode it like this, and it never moved at all. So if really required, I can use the strap that is there. I can tie it around the carrier, but I mean, as of now, I didn't see a necessity for doing that. So in that way, the magnets are very good, and capacity wise it's pretty decent. So I'm not sure if I'll open out everything. I have a water bottle, I have a sanitizer, extra mask, I have few chocolates and few spare batteries of my GoPro, extra bandana and all those stuff. So that's on the capacity side here. And if you see here, I put the rain cover in the front, in the strap here, because I wanted more place for the water bottle. And also I felt that if you keep this stuff here, I can keep my mobile on top of it. It'll give it that kind of a padding. In that way, see, I say it's good. Let me talk about few small quirks which I've observed. I don't know, it's pretty strange that the zip for the main compartment goes all the way from this loop until this loop, which is fine. Waterproof zipper, perfectly fine. Good strings attached here so that it can come out. But if you notice, the mobile pouch zipper goes all the way from here, like it opens up till here, but when you come to the other side, it just stops here, and it's like right in the corner. I don't know what made them to design like this. I would have preferred at least like another inch or two more, maybe like completely till here, like the way they have it. But it's right in the corner, like, so when you're closing it, you don't get the confidence that you're closing it completely, and it's right in the corner. At least, like I say, no, like 1 more inch would have made some difference. I don't know the logic behind stopping it here instead of going further down, or maybe I don't know, it's not even like a mistake with the bag, I'm pretty sure. uh, or maybe like the alignment of these port holes and all is fine. So I'm not personally, I'm not very convinced why this zipper has to stop here. I mean, such good quality zippers and everything is fine. It ends in the corner, which I found strange, like opening and closing. Especially when you're closing, you don't get a confidence that you close it completely. Second thing is, there's an opening here for putting the cable if you want to charge your phone, but there is no outlet anywhere for headphones. So not all phones have the headphone jack in the bottom, some of them have in the top. So unfortunately there is no headphone jack on the top or the front anywhere, which I found a little bit strange. And this works if you have the charging cable connected to a port on your bike. But if not for that, if you want to keep a power bank in the main compartment, I don't know how to bring the wire out. Maybe in that case you'll have to keep it inside the mobile compartment itself, which is not an issue. But the other small thing that I noticed is this area is too big for my phone. I personally use a Samsung S10e, which is not really a tiny phone compared to say like a iPhone SE 2020 or something like that, but I felt that it gets literally submerged inside this pouch. So it's good for bigger phones. It's all fits and goes well with a bigger phone, but for smaller phone I think it's too big a pouch, but that's okay. I felt the touchscreen works on top of this see-through window. that you have, so that's not an issue. So that's pretty much it. Those are my like first impression about the GoldenRiders M Pouche or M Pouch tank bag, magnetic tank bag. So you have an option of wearing it on the belt also if you require. I'm such a huge bag, I would never wear it. So this is how the mini tank bag looks on top of my bike. It's pretty neat, not very obvious as I told you like the other bigger ones, and it serves the purpose for a quick ride in the city, or just like me, like I just come outside of the city to the outskirts. I'm just carrying my water bottle and few COVID stuff, like I would call it, mask, sanitizer, and all those stuff. So this is how it looks. So as I told you, it fits well on the back of the bike as well, magnetic, and I mean it sits there until and unless you're doing some kind of like an off-roading and all, it might not fall off. But if really required, you can actually put the strap and it will stay there. So I'm just trying to see where is the best place to put this. So for now I'm just using it as a tank bag. That's it. That's the GoldenRiders M Pouche tank bag.
One eternity later.
I just realized I forgot to tell one more thing about the GoldenRiders tank bag. I mentioned that I got it from Amazon. I also told that there was no discount, but I didn't mention the price. Apparently, I kind of personally feel that's one of the negatives, but it is slightly expensive. It's about I think 900 rupees, 899 if I'm right. So it's 900 rupees for the bag, which I personally felt like it is a little bit expensive for what it can carry, but I think the company's justification could be the quality of the zippers, the quality of the magnets, and definitely the quality of the rain cover. It's a lot better than the one which is given by the other companies. But yeah, it's expensive is what I wanted to tell. At 900 rupees, it's a pretty expensive small tank bag. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to tell.
Thank you so much for having me as a part of your day. If you enjoyed watching this video, then why not hit the like button, and if you haven't already, or if you're new here, then please do consider supporting this channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. So until we meet next time, take care, bye bye.